this Swasti Vachan will do the space clearing of the complete house also. अगर हम run करते हैं तो.
Yes, it works, because even if there is any negative energy, black magic, or even if you are feeling heavy within yourself, or even if you are feeling some or the other way negative energies or something is going wrong, this definitely helps, and it should be used at least. रोज यूज करोगे तो भी अच्छा है, बीच बीच में यूज करते हो तो भी अच्छा है. Finally, it depends upon our belief, but I believe and it works. ये कहो या फिर वो I give Nandini, anything which is helping you to clear your energies, you should do it once or twice a week. It helps in a big way. तो चाहे
Ehigiri Nandini, that Durga.
हाँ, दुर्गा स्तुति, I give Nandini.
Okay.
That works amazingly.
Yes. Okay, sir. Thank you for telling this.
Thank you. चलो, किस का क्या हुआ है, होमवर्क किसने क्या किया, किसने नहीं किया. And what is, okay, now we are on the 4th day of hypnosis. So what do you think is the scope for hypnosis now? अपने आप को please mute कर दो, and जिसको बोलना है वही बोलिए.
Go get it. I'll study.
What is the scope for hypnosis?
The hypnosis is basically reprogramming our subconscious mind to do something positive for life and for people.
Okay, what are the areas and what is the scope of hypnosis if you have to practice?
We can use
apart from medical profession, I'm saying medical profession, leave it separately, because that needs skill to be developed on human biology also, जो आप definitely करोगे. But in regular life, where can hypnosis be used?
I think we can use with our family. Mainly, I think it is very useful for day-to-day family stress, reprogramming your kids' behavioral issues, and then marital issues. Anything towards family, I think it will work best with the family issues, day-to-day life issues.
Okay. Any other inputs, like you all are experts in your field? So how exactly do you think that it can be used?
It can help in anxiety and depression as well as addiction.
Okay.
And I think sometimes for goal setting also. Okay. Especially career related goal setting and making teenagers focusing on their goals more properly.
Bilkul. And or किसी का कोई thought?
It helps to come out of any of the traumatic events you had in life.
It helps to train the mind.
It helps to
come out of any of the traumatic.
Strengthen the mind.
सुनाई नहीं दिया ठीक से.
सर मैंने लेट ज्वाइन किया, क्या पूछ रहे हैं?
क्वेश्चन ये है कि हिप्नोथेरेपी कहाँ यूज हो सकती है. मिनट सर, your input.
Yes, it is an amazing tool. If you know how to use it, then it's going to much more useful in every part of the life, because the human being is not understand how the subconscious mind works and how we can use it. It is a sky as the limit, but we haven't used it some of the field. If we started using, because of the lack of the knowledge in society, the people don't know where to use and how to use it. But it will affect every stage of the life. Wherever you have lack of confidence, stress, or dealing with something goals, as well as the reduction of weight or controlling the disease, getting confidence, doing so many things, you can do it. And some of the field, even we don't know where it's going to be helpful. That we need to think, and we need to use as broad areas in an army, in the hospitals, in our working place, even in the normal human being place, old age depression, old age place, people are not communicating, Alzheimer's, dementia. We use, the sky is the limit. We are not knowing where we can use it and how we can use it.
Absolutely.
And that's the duty of our all the hypnosis and trainee as well as the teachers, to make the society awareness, and that's important.
Bilkul. Absolutely true, sir. Second biggest area which is untapped and it has a huge scope is sports. अगर आप स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन को hypnotherapy देते हो तो it creates some miracles in their life. Most of the coaches, most of the cricket players also have hypnotherapists along with them, have trainers along with them, along with their regular cricket coaches. They make sure that they have a coach along with them for hypnotherapy as well as NLP or any other things. I have seen clearly, and I have been working with one of the associations. फिलहाल कोविड की वजह से सब बंद है, but yes, it works. Then in real life also you can work when you are into field of counseling, when you are into any field where human interaction is involved. You can use hypnotherapy because finally, as Minette sir rightly said, sky is the limit. आप उसको जहाँ चाहिए वहाँ यूज कर सकते हो, चाहे आपकी पास्ट लाइफ का प्रॉब्लम हो, चाहे इस लाइफ का प्रॉब्लम हो, या कोई भी हो. Anything where you have to access your subconscious mind at the deepest level, it can be used. Anything where you need to change or make a turnaround, it can be used. फिर आप चाहे किसी भी फील्ड में उसको यूज कर दो. इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी कि एक ही पर्टिकुलर आप कोई फील्ड पकड़ लो. बस आपको स्किल्स आने चाहिए. एंड जैसे पहले 2 दिनों से, जो पहले 2-3 दिनों में जो मैं हमेशा 2 ही रूल्स हमेशा बताता हूँ. फर्स्ट इज subconscious mind doesn't understand the difference between reality and imagination. That is the most important thing. जब तक आप इसको ध्यान में रखोगे तब तक आप एक अच्छे hypnotherapist बन पाओगे. And second is, there is absolutely no rule in hypnotherapy. You can use any creativity, anything which can make you feel relaxed. Relaxation. Okay, I have a question. How many of you think that getting bored is also a type of relaxation? जब आप बोर होते हो,
I think so.
तो रिलैक्स हो जाते हो.
I
Because that is the stage where the person comes into trance. Whenever you are yawning, it means that you are going to the alpha state. Your mind is shifting from the regular brain cycles of 15 to 30 hertz to 10 to 15 hertz. You start yawning, you get, like for example, when the teacher is continuously speaking, most of the people start yawning.
उधर से चिमटियां दे और कंगा दे, गिर जाएगा नीचे पे.
Please mute yourself. Whenever teacher starts speaking, most of the students start yawning. वो actually उस state में चले जाते. They go into that stage of hypnotherapy, or they go into the state of alpha state where they are not able to understand clearly. Boring is also one part of hypnotherapy. Very honestly, when you get bored, you automatically start going into trance. अपने आप नींद आनी चालू हो जाती है. You automatically start feeling sleepy. Whether we like it or not, when someone is giving lectures unnecessarily, we start feeling bored, we start getting sleepy. So it is important to understand that whenever you are giving a command to a person, your voice at times should also make a person feel bored, kuch had tak, so that it becomes the trance state. Now, how exactly will you do it? If you are speaking into a continuous monotonous voice, आज हमने ये देखा है कि कल का दिन बहुत अच्छा जाएगा. अगर कल का दिन अच्छा नहीं जाएगा तो आप ये देखोगे कि आपका परसों का दिन भी खराब जाएगा. Like if you use a continuous fixed tone in a very silent way, that monotonous tone also takes you to that boredom. मतलब you get bored easily, and automatically you start yawning. What the hell this guy is speaking? So your voice tonality makes a big impact whenever you are doing either a self-hypnosis or hypnosis on the other person. Hypnosis comes in two forms. First is self-hypnosis and second is heterohypnosis. Heterohypnosis means when you are giving commands to others. H-E-T-R-O, heterohypnosis. That means that you are giving command to others and the other person is obeying your commands. And in self-hypnosis, you are giving the commands to yourself so that you start registering those commands and make your life the way it has to be. So hypnosis में दो सबसे main है self-hypnosis and heterohypnosis. And most of the times, you are hetero-hypnotized in the life. Whenever you are watching any movie, whenever you are watching any TV series, whenever you are going to a shop, whenever you are seeing any advertisements, billboards, whatever it is all complete heterohypnosis. Because you see it and automatically you tend to have that feeling that yes, you should buy this, you should do this, you should do that. If you see the advertisements, डर के आगे जीत है, या any advertisements, those are complete hypnotic commands. But they make a simple clarification in a very small sentence that this is a disclaimer. Actually, the disclaimer should be highlighted always. But people, what they do is they just take the command कि हाँ डर के आगे जीत है, ये है, वो है. That becomes a strong hypnotic command to any person. Disclaimers are already given down, but कोई disclaimer पढ़ता नहीं है. And even if you are trying to read that disclaimer, the complete commercial is approximately like 10 to 15 seconds. In that time, you are not even able to read what exactly is mentioned in the disclaimer. So you can't say that whatever they are saying is right or wrong, because they will always say that we had placed a disclaimer. So anything which comes on TV, anything which comes to you, knowingly, unknowingly, gives you a hypnotic command. Whether we like it or not, we accept those commands and it becomes our imprint. ठंडा मतलब Coca-Cola. It has become a complete imprint in your mind. आज किसी बच्चे से भी आप पूछोगे 2 मिनट में क्या बनता है, मैगी बनती है. It has become a complete hypnotic command. Anything which comes in your real life is completely based on hypnosis. Relationships kaho, health kaho, whatever you say is based on your hypnosis command. Second, or the other examples of hypnotic commands, that how exactly they market it. Especially if you see the advertisements related to, they induce a command in your mind that after this particular age, you will start getting these problems. And we accept it just because it has been told into visual, auditory, and kinesthetic form. Any information which comes to you, it comes in visual form, auditory form, as well as kinesthetic form. If you see that advertisement clearly, you see that lady's face, you also listen to that voice, and plus they also show you that how your backbone is getting bent and all those things. So they give you all sorts of feelings, and then you automatically get hypnotized and you tend to buy that product. So anything which is happening, nothing comes free in the world. Even the advertisements which you are watching, they are not free. They tempt you to buy that thing, knowingly, unknowingly. फ्री में कुछ नहीं आता, प्लस यू आर इन्वेस्टिंग योर टाइम. आपके घर की बिजली जाती है वो अलग है. You feel that you are watching that advertisement in the free, but it's not so. So anything which comes in your life comes in a hypnotic form, whether we like it or not. कोई भी advertisement ले दो, कोई भी TV serial ले दो, any TV serial, any movie, it's completely based on the hypnotic script. Any politician's speech, completely based on hypnotic scripts, or else you will not even think of giving a vote to them. So from today onwards, at least try to analyze that what exactly the other person is saying. What is that advertisement all about? Try to understand that what it is giving, what impact it is giving. One more recent advertisement, like it was good advertisement, they have used those words in very, and the visuals which they have created, the girl is playing table tennis with her dad, and then they use that particular sentence. it creates a deep impact. Nothing comes free. One more. So such advertisements, they actually create a deep impact. Like 3 days back, I had put a status on my WhatsApp also that life is not a tash cricket day. So such advertisements actually pull you towards them. Knowingly, unknowingly, they use such words that you get attracted. So think twice before buying anything, before even thinking of buying anything, that do you really need it? As a hypnotherapist, definitely you should convince your clients in such a way that they come to you. But when you are being consumed, like you are a consumer, think twice that whether it is very needed. What hypnotic command is used in that? Knowingly, unknowingly, you tend to develop that spending habit. Knowingly, unknowingly, you tend to have that habit of doing unnecessary expenses just because out of curiosity. कुछ लोगों को always problem होता है. Some people have tendency to spend when they are too much under stress. And when they are under stress, and at that time when they see such advertisements, they tend to spend 10 times more than what they would spend in the normal way. It's a mental disorder to a certain extent. It is not a normal thing. And especially one should avoid doing shopping when they are stressed. You tend to end up with your credit card bills. You tend to end up with your health. You tend to end up with lot many things. So first calm down and then go for shopping. Because वो वाला जो shopping होता है, the shopping when you are doing under stress, it is only and only creating problems for your pocket. Plus you tend to buy up unnecessary things which you might not even use in next 10 years. तो यहाँ तक सबको clear है?
Sir, I'd like to share something.
एक मिनट, ये मैडम ने पहले हाथ ऊपर किया है.
Sir, where a financial transaction is not the outcome of an advertisement, तो वहाँ पे क्या subconscious mind ने reject कर दिया है वो hypnotic idea और
Can you tell me any advertisement where the command is not hypnotic? Even if it's a non-commercial advertisement, still it's a hypnotic command. Go to the advertisement where Amitabh Bachchan used to appeal for polio. It was a complete hypnotic command. Go to any advertisement without hypnotic command, it will not work. Finally, it's not always about commercials. It's always about how they are directly hitting your subconscious mind, bypassing your conscious mind. चलो हम पोलियो को दूर हटाए. What would be that command in Milton model? Facing current experience. चलो हम पोलियो को दूर हटाए. Use NLP, use Milton model effectively, analyze how the words are being formed. यहाँ तक किसी को कोई डाउट है? Pallavi, you are sharing something.
Yes, sir. Actually, जैसे आप अभी बोल रहे थे एडवर्टीजमेंट्स के लिए जो कमांड्स हिप्नोटिक कमांड्स वगैरह आते हैं, सेम आई लाइक टू शेयर. जब जैसे मेरी बिटिया है, शी व्हेन शी क्रॉस 10 एंड शी वाज डूइंग एक तो स्कॉलरशिप का झांसा जो होता है कि इफ यू गेट 90% स्कॉलरशिप, इफ योर चाइल्ड गेट्स 90%, दैट इज आल्सो अ हिप्नोटिक कमांड बिकॉज आप अपने बच्चे को उसके लिए प्रिपेयर करना स्टार्ट करवा देते हो. सी वी आर इफ यू गेट दैट राइट. And when the counselor comes to your house, वो throughout आपको वैसे commands दे रहा होता है that you are, आप मजबूर हो जाते हो कि आपको वो चीज खरीदनी है. Each and everyone presents its product as the best.
Absolutely. Like even if you go for those DMIT counselors,
yeah,
they also do use the hypnotic commands only. Like your child has a peacock type of imprint, he will have this mentality. Your child has a pigeon type of imprint, he will have that mentality. Now you do this particular course so that you will be able to improve those things. Finally, it's a hypnotic command. They are trying to sell. Everyone in the world is trying to sell themselves, including me, including you. Everyone here is to sell something.
yes.
Even when the child wants a chocolate from his parents, he tries to sell himself and then he gets that chocolate. मुफ्त में पेरेंट्स भी बच्चे को चॉकलेट नहीं देते unless and until that child is able to convince कि पापा ऐसा हुआ, and then you immediately give it. और एक दूसरा तरीका होता है बच्चों का, अगर एक बच्चे को कम मार्क मिले, if a child scores less marks, maths paper was so tough na, everyone in the class got below 25. Then the parent understands कि अपने बच्चे को इससे भी कम मिले. It's a way to tell. So everyone has those instincts inborn. The only thing is, over the period of time, we tend to forget and we tend to program ourselves in that way. Rather, we program ourselves in the wrong way. Yahan tak, how many of you have got bored by now? Because further things have to come, so today I have to make you as bored as possible.
मैं तो वो ताश के खेल वाले से मेरी नींद भाग गई, जब वही मैच दिख गया।
वो ऐसे हाथ करके क्या आता है?
नाम तो रिवील नहीं
I don't know how many of you have seen that advertisement on YouTube.
बहुत सर, इनफैक्ट मेरे पास मैसेजेस भी आते हैं, I get messages in my mail.
One should see that advertisement, how he dances. So this is the scope for hypnotherapy. No matter whether it's sports, studies, communication, stage shows, आप किसी film actor, actress को भी train कर सकते हो, dance stage performers को train कर सकते हो, management, interpersonal relationship, at the deepest level, nail biting, bed wetting, thumb sucking, aggression, withdrawal, all these things come under hypnosis. They can be cured with hypnosis 100%. It just needed that how you take it further. And इसमें से बहुत सारे examples, we will be doing these examples live in next 2-3 days, how exactly we can use the scripts and other things. I'll put it in the slideshow. So steps and process in hypnosis. What basically is done is, whenever you are trying to hypnotize anyone, whether it's self-hypnosis or heterohypnosis, if you see the advertisements, that's what I mentioned, that when they make an advertisement, they overload you with multiple messages, multiple units, like they send you the visuals, they send you the auditory, they send you the kinesthetic, everything is sent at the same time, where your conscious mind is not able to understand what is happening, and it directly goes to the subconscious mind. So here also it's mentioned, it's not only by using one sense organ, but eyes, ears, nose. कुछ लोगों को सामने जैम देख के अपने आप खुशबू भी आने लगती है. So they try to use all your 5 sense organs to bypass your conscious mind and enter into your subconscious mind. डर के आगे जीत है when the guy says, and that whoever is that XYZ actor, whenever he jumps, you see that auditory as well as the kinesthetic, and it enters in your mind. Then it also disorganizes your complete thought process. It completely disrupts your thought process. And then the body's fight and flight mode mechanism is triggered under the situation. Exactly what is happening, you don't even realize that what is happening. And immediately your subconscious mind takes the control of the situation, and you start believing that yes, after 30 I need to drink Horlicks, because they have taken a complete control over your mind. They have bypassed your conscious mind and they have completely entered into your subconscious mind. And now the hypersuggestibility is activated by the mind, and the client becomes prone to accept such messages. Whether it was जितेंद्र का जो पुराना ऐड आता था जिने सिंह का या ये हॉर्लिक्स का, whatever it is, they just tend to bypass your conscious mind and they use multiple tactics like bringing some celebrity. So what happens is, you see that celebrity, consciously you are seeing that celebrity, but subconsciously they are bypassing your conscious mind and they are directly entering your subconscious mind. They try to use all the ways to bypass. And then it is your subconscious mind is completely accessed, and that is termed as hypnosis. You are awake while watching the TV. but still you are completely hypnotized. And you will observe it daily. Hypnosis can't be forced on any individual. Also, you will see that suppose if you have a family of 4 or 5 people, probably 2 or 3 will accept those commands. And 1 or 2 will be such that what nonsense they are showing. Because their subconscious mind, like their conscious mind is so much awake that they won't allow such things to happen. Like when the first day I mentioned that there are a few people who are always on the wanna fight mode. You prove me that how exactly I can hypnotize. Those people never they will fall prey to such advertisements also. They have a very strong willpower, they have very strong determination. People who fall prey to such advertisements have very low willpower. Their determination is not strong. That's the reason we are able to bypass their conscious mind and enter into their subconscious mind. फिर आपको ताश के पत्ते बराबर याद आते हैं, इसीलिए वो हाथ भी उसी तरह से जो बंदा चला रहा है ना, he makes you feel that he is like doing that tash. Complete visual, auditory, kinesthetic feelings have to be given to the client, and we'll do it today live. How exactly we are doing that also I'll show. So try to understand that whenever you are making the things easy, whether it is for your child, whether it is for yourself, whether it's for others, you should be able to take charge of his subconscious mind by bypassing his conscious process, whatever he is doing. Give multiple thoughts at the same time. Automatically his conscious mind will fail and things will enter into subconscious mind. That's the reason if you have listened binaural beats are generally superimposed on one another, and the deepest affirmation which is there in the binaural beats, if you listen carefully, you can actually make out what words are being sent into that. Binaural beats are not just binaural beats, there are hidden messages in that. A complete script is being read in the background which you will not even able to hear if you don't listen it carefully. They tend to play that music of 568 hertz or any other subliminal frequency. But parallelly, there is a script running in it, which if you lower the voice, you can hear the script clearly. Binaural beats are not meant for time pass. They are meant for bypassing your conscious mind and access your subconscious mind, so that whatever message is there, it is imprinted in your subconscious mind. Try to listen any good binaural, especially if you want to see binaural beats. There are good, like one channel is there, Hypno Daddy. They have amazing binaural beats. You can actually lower the sound and listen what exactly is the script. मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी थोड़ी, but it will give you. Hypno Daddy is really a good channel for binaural beats, and they have actually given ready-made scripts there, which you can just put a headphone and see the results.
Is it on YouTube?
Yeah, it's available on YouTube, Hypno Daddy. HYPNODADY. No, DADDY. Hypno Daddy.
Repeat. So repeat.
HYPNODADDY. Letting you know this channel doesn't mean that I endorse this channel. It means that I have seen the channel and I have liked the channel, but no way I am promoting them. You can watch it. It's worth watching. Now, as we discussed in the start, types of hypnosis, heterohypnosis and self-hypnosis. Heterohypnosis is a state created by the other person to take you to the induced state. For example, the TV advertisements. Teacher, whenever something a teacher is saying, whenever your life partner is saying something, that comes under heterohypnosis, that it is coming from outside. And in self-hypnosis, you give commands to yourself. And today we'll see amazing things happening in next few minutes. That's I'm sure. Now, when we see induction, whenever we have to hypnotize anyone, There are multiple ways. As I said, you can use the worst of worst script to make a person bored. Automatically he will start yawning. Or else you can ask him to you can ask him to see at a particular point. He will start yawning. You can ask him to see the moving pendulum, where his brain, left and right brain, gets confused. Finally, the process of induction means that you are hitting multiple commands, multiple units of information at the same time, because as per science, our brain can handle 400 units. One unit is like, they have not exactly defined what is unit, but 400 units information at any particular time your brain can handle. And when you are pushing more than that, automatically your brain gets bypassed and it enters into your subconscious mind. So whenever you are seeing any advertisement, try to be aware about what exactly they are saying, so you will not fall prey. Whenever someone is trying to sell something, be aware about what exactly that person is saying. You will see that you are not falling prey to that. But most of the times what happens is they bombard the information in such a way that you fall prey to that induction. And it's not only about hypnosis. The first stage है hypnosis का induction. At that stage only they take you to that level, acceptance level, that you tend to buy everything from them. Because induction itself has to be very strong. The moment you see that action, the moment you listen those words, you tend to see that yes, these things are happening. Depends upon your thoughts. यहाँ तक किसी को कोई डाउट है?
क्वेश्चन था.
हाँ जी. Yes, please ask.
सर बहुत पहले इन माय चाइल्डहुड एक सीरियल आता था लाइक होनी अनहोनी. इट इज थोड़ा सा लीक से हटके, बट आई वांटेड टू आस्क फ्रॉम यू. I wanted that answer.
Yes, I still remember.
होनी अनहोनी ऐसे कुछ
देखा हुआ है. होनी अनहोनी था उसका नाम.
या उसमें सर कुछ एपिसोड्स आते थे जो आपने फर्स्ट क्लास में बताया था ना, समथिंग की डिटर्मिनेशन एंड ऑल की जो डिस्कशंस हुई थी हमारी. सो फ्रॉम दैट डे आई वाज थिंकिंग टू आस्क. उसमें दिखाते थे कि even though a father who hasn't had a hand, right, and then also he saved his girl child from, you know, when she was falling from upstairs. So what was that?
Some things were extrapolated in that.
Yes.
Some things had been like shown out of the blue, but yes, miracles always happen when they have to happen. World is full with miracles. You can't say no to anything, because when your willpower is strong, you can see miracles, you can experience the miracles, but it doesn't mean that you should challenge your death. Like डर के आगे जीत है ये समझ के अगर आप ट्रेन से आगे कूदोगे तो आप मरने वाले हो.
Yes.
So you should respect the fear. Miracles definitely happen when your intentions are good. आप नहीं, कोई और आके बचाएगा. Holy and Holy serial was actually based on many real life incidents which they had claimed, and many things were proved after that.
Yes, yes, sir.
Your
Yes,
subconscious mind works. Past life regression works.
Yes. That was the thing which I wanted to clear from you.
Past life regression always works. It helps you to understand what is happening. But the main process in the past life regression should be not to do a tour that who I was in past life or whatever something. The purpose of past life regression should be that whatever is stopping you in this life, how exactly can I change that imprint and get that imprint from any of my life, maybe 1,000 lives before, 1,000, 2,000 lives before. Get that pattern, use it in this life so that this life becomes better. And it is possible. Because your subconscious mind knows everything. It has access to everything, and that's the reason DNA healing and other mechanisms actually work. You carry all the memories, you carry all the diseases, you carry everything from your forefathers. हम जो बोलते हैं hereditary है, you carry everything from them, one or the other way, either from this family or that family. but it comes to you. DNA healing, that's the reason DNA healing is done. So anything is possible in the world when you believe in miracles.
The second thing was, sir,
हाँ जी,
like त्राटक चक्र, जैसे हम शक्ति त्राटक जो करते हैं, जो हम कॉन्टैक्ट कर रहे हैं आई से,
हाँ.
just symbol of Doordarshan. The symbol of Doordarshan.
That was meant for that.
Yeah. And again, मैं समय हूँ, महाभारत, मैं समय हूँ.
Yes.
So that was also hypnotic commands and all.
That was not exactly hypnotic command, but they had tried to show that how the world, how time moves. But जो बोलने का जो लहजा था, that was really hypnotic. किसकी आवाज किसकी थी वो? अमीन सैनी नहीं, किसी.
Yeah, अमीन सैनी something. Yes, मैं समय हूँ. अमीन सैनी की थी सर. Yes, अमीन सैनी.
So that was
मैं समय वो शायद मुकेश खन्ना की नहीं थी.
मुकेश खन्ना की
नहीं, मुकेश खन्ना की नहीं थी, राजेंद्र जी.
हरीश भिवानी.
Okay.
Harish Bhimani, yes, Harish Bhimani.
Yes.
So that was a complete hypnotic command, and down the line they had stopped it when elections had came up. उसका reason बहुत अलग है, but they had stopped that particular मैं समय हूँ when elections had came up. There were many political agendas behind that, but वो उन्होंने रोक दिया था बाद में. So now when we see some rules of hypnosis, these are the rules for hypnosis that we should 100% follow. Don't hypnotize a person, as I have been saying from day one, who is always into the challenging mode. Don't make it a contest कि हाँ चल मैं तुझे hypnotize करके दिखाता हूँ. Then you will lose your own self-confidence. Mahesh sir, I think you are getting bored and I am succeeding in today's session. I want to see how many people are really getting bored. So today, then, hypnosis should be used for the right purpose, not for a testimony of the client. ये सभी आप बाद में पढ़ लेना, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा इसमें जाऊँगा नहीं, but the main thing was that you should not hypnotize anyone who is not willing to get hypnotized. ये सभी मैं आपके साथ share करने वाला हूँ. Then important concept in hypnosis also important that how exactly is your tone. Hey, चल सो जा. You can't do that. As you are listening my voice, while I'm counting from 25 to 1, I know that your body will start relaxing. Also, I know that everyone who is listening my voice right now will start yawning by the time I reach 15, and you will see that your body is getting relaxed. 25, 24, 23. As you are listening my voice, your body is getting completely relaxed. 22, 21, slowly 20, 19, आंखें भारी हो जाएंगी 18, सिर भारी होना शुरू हो जाएगा 17, 16, 15 और गहरी नींद में जाओगे 14, 13, 12, 11 और गहरी नींद में जाओगे 10, 9, 8, slowly 7, धीरे धीरे तुम्हारी गर्दन लेफ्ट या राइट में या अपने आप सामने मुड़ेगी 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now by the time I count 5 to 1, you will get into a very deep sleep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and now see how exactly your life is. Feel that confidence when you have achieved your goals. Feel that confidence when you have achieved your goals. Feel that confidence when you have achieved your goals. See how people are congratulating you. See how happy you are in your life. Feel that confidence in your life. feel that confidence you are in your life. You have achieved all your goals. Your health is perfectly fine. You are absolutely having a perfect relationship. On the count of 5, you will imprint all these thoughts in your subconscious mind. You will imprint all these thoughts in your subconscious mind. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open your eyes. How many of you could feel that yes, gaye the? What I did here was, and this is what we'll be doing today, inductions and deepeners. First thing is, you have to make the process either so comfortable or so relaxed that a person starts feeling that yes, I'm into already that zone. And the moment the person starts feeling, you take him deeper and deeper and deeper. And I'm sharing these sample scripts also. Apart from this PPT, I'll be sharing the sample scripts. So you have to take the person deeper and deeper and deeper, and then you can give the actual command. Today we'll try to see a complete hypnosis session again, that how exactly things are happening. So first thing is induction. Whenever we are giving the commands, they should be into either a monotonous voice. Also, you should be able to create visual, auditory, kinesthetic feeling so that the person starts feeling it in his real life. Suppose if you want to make someone feel that he or she is eating an ice cream, who would like to give a try? एक deadline का sentence बना के बताओ. Prepare a sentence in one or two sentences that you want to make someone feel that he or she is eating ice cream. बना दो. It's an open question. You have to make a sentence that make him or her feel as if they are eating the ice cream. हिंदी में बोलो, मराठी में बोलो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. Use it in your own language.
बोलो
Go ahead.
सर बोलो.
हाँ बिल्कुल, go ahead. I'll pin you.
As if बहुत गर्मी है and we don't have water around. Yeah. So friend है साथ में. So I'll say इतनी गर्मी है, महसूस करो तुम्हारे हाथों में ऑरेंज कलर की आइसक्रीम है जो मीठी मीठी सी ठंडी ठंडी सी है, जैसे तुम उसे लेते हो.
Her conscious mind will reject this. Reason, already you are saying that इतनी गर्मी है. अब इतनी गर्मी है, काश कि अपने हाथ में आइसक्रीम होती जिसकी ठंडक तुम महसूस कर पाती. Then her conscious mind will not reject it, it will accept it. Because already you are giving first command that itni garmi hai, it's already too hot. And if you directly say that visualize the ice cream in your hand, she will say, what the hell, I am already suffering from that hot scorching heat. It's too hot. How exactly it would have been different if you had a cool ice cream in your hand, which the moment you keep in your mouth would have given you all the pleasures, all the ठंडक. उस तरह से बनाओ. Who would like to give a second thought? अगला कौन बोलेगा? Sorry. How would you like to do it?
About what? Can you
About
give
ice
some-
cream. You have to give
About
a
ice
feeling to
cream.
your daughter. You have to give a feeling to your daughter as if she is eating the ice cream. ये बिल्कुल मत सोचना जो अभी पानी पिया है वो कड़वा था.
As you are listening to my voice, can you feel how hot today's weather is? And I offer you, at this moment, I offer you one nice cool lollies, which is your favorite, that is fruit lollies. As you are holding it, you could lick and feel how it is melting on your mouth and how coolness is releasing from your body as it is going more and more, as you are sucking more and more. And you are feeling like to eat more and more, and it's making your body so cool and you are feeling so sweet. That's all I think.
Okay, you have incorporated all the things, but the thing is, you have to give a command saying that how exactly would you feel when you had this ice cream in your hand. You are
Okay.
saying that visualize the ice cream in your hand. She can't visualize. How exactly would it have been if you had an ice cream in your hand? अगर आप direct command दोगे visualize, so she will say that already I am in the scorching heat and you are asking me, then she will ask you for the ice cream. For example, if you have to give someone an anesthesia, normal anesthesia, कि आपका हाथ एकदम numb हो गया है, so without giving that command, without even actually giving that anesthesia, you can make his or her hand numb. Who would like to give a try? चलो यहीं पे ट्राई करते हैं. किसी के पास नीडल है? नीडल है? नीडल नीडल लेके आओ. And see how induction is given, how deepness are given, and I'm sharing all the scripts with you. Don't worry about it. But the process is important, that how exactly are we taking a person to that state of mind where she will not feel that pinch of the needle. Next, also we'll be doing a small stress relieving session for one of the candidates, which I will choose often from here itself. Karishma, be ready for this after this session. Okay, Pallavi, just relax. Close your eyes. Now, take a deep breath. Deep, 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 deep. As I'm counting from 25 to 1, your mind and body will get into a complete relaxed state, and you will see that your body is getting completely relaxed, and you will start feeling a complete relaxation in your body. While I'm counting from 25 to 1, you will also experience and feel that your right hand is getting as stiff as a stone, and you will not be able to move it even an inch. You will experience your hand is getting heavy and heavy and heavy, and it will be there as it is. 25, 24, 23. Slowly your body is getting completely relaxed. Your mind is getting relaxed. Your neck will either go towards left or right, but you will choose your comfortable position. 22, 21, 20, 19. Complete relax. Your hand is getting heavy, 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 as stiff as stone. 18. Right hand is getting as stiff as stone. 17. 16. 15. और गहरी नींद में जाओगे, जितना और नीचे जाएंगे उतना और हाथ स्टिफ होता जाएगा. 15. 14. 13. और गहरी नींद में जाओगे, और गहरी नींद में जाओगे. 12. 11. By the time we reach 1, your hand will be as stiff as a stone. 10. 9. Your right hand will be as stiff as a stone. 9. 8. 7. 6. Until I give a complete release command, it will be as stiff as a stone. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. As you are into a very deep sleep, on the count of 5, your right hand will go so much numb that even if you are pricking a needle in your hand, it will give you a complete numb sensation. It will give you a complete numb sensation when you open your eyes. Until I give you a release command, your hand will be completely numb and stiff. Until I give you a release command, your hand will be completely numb and completely stiff. The moment you open your eyes, and even if you are pricking the needle on your hand, it will be absolutely numb. Very slowly open your eyes and take a needle in your hand and try to prick on your right hand. Very slowly open your eyes, take a needle and prick it on your right hand. Prick it on your right hand, open your eyes and prick it on your right hand. Prick the needle on your right hand. It's as stiff as a stone. It's as stiff as a stone. Try to move your right hand. Absolutely, it will not move. Try to prick the needle. Just try to prick it a bit inside. It will not give you any pain. Try to hit your hand. Keep the needle aside and try to hit your hand. Try to hit your hand. Try to pinch it. Try to pinch it. Try to pinch it as hard as possible. At the same time, your mouth will go so much bitter that you will experience the complete bitter sensation in your mouth. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Complete bitter. Absolutely a vomiting sensation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Your right hand is completely released. Could you feel is it moving or still it is stiff? Close your eyes. On the count of 5, as I am counting from 5 to 1, on the count of 1, your right hand will be completely released and it will be free to move as per previous stage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Try to move it completely. Needle prick hui? Unmute yourself. Needle महसूस हुई कुछ? But you could prick it, right?
कुछ भी महसूस नहीं हो रहा था सर. नीडल की pierciness महसूस नहीं हो रही थी मुझे.
Okay, good. So this was the live demo. How exactly what we did here is, Minesh sir, this can be very easily used for getting a person out of a pain, whether it is a PTSD or a pre-surgical pain. Like a person can actually come out of a pain and he can see that he is able to move his limbs in the normal way without pain. Like especially when it comes to knee surgery. And if we give the hypnotic command in the right way, the person can recover faster. And his pain, which is there, inherent pain finally happens after any transplantation. But that can be overcome easily once we give a local command. Even local anesthesia can be given. The first thing, hypnotherapy was first used in 1957 in by British Dental Association to extract the teeth. So we can actually use hypnosis in anything where we need to work with the patient, and especially for the local applications, it is not needed to give anesthesia. With simple hypnotic commands, you can give an anesthesia, like you can try in an informal way. While giving an injection, the person will not feel the pain, like your hand has got completely numb as I am counting from 25 to 1 and give him that injection. Finally, injection has to be given. You will see that the person doesn't feel that injection and it works. Of course, your local law should allow it, but British Association has already is practicing hypnotherapy in a big way. So even your hospital will allow it, I believe. They must be having hypnotherapists. So this way. हाँ जी प्लीज रचना मैडम पूछिए.
सर जैसे इसमें क्या पर्टिकुलर किसी एक पार्ट ऑफ बॉडी का पेन रिलैक्स किया जा सकता है?
Absolutely किया जा सकता है. For example, suppose like I had used it on myself when my neck used to pain. So giving the command to that particular body part, it helps you to come out of that pain, because finally you are giving an anesthetic feeling there. Pain exists or doesn't exist is not a question. Giving a command to feel that relaxation is important. For example, if you have a burn on your finger, boil comes. But if you give a hypnotic command that by tomorrow morning this boil will go or it will vanish, you will see that it will vanish. I guarantee you. Because it depends upon what command you are giving and how you are giving. Hypnosis can be very easily used in burns, people who are suffering from any other issues, especially burn issues जो होते हैं, if anyone must have seen the patients who are burned, their pains are too much. You can use
Actually,
hypnotherapy.
I was asking about my mother-in-law because she is suffering from pemphigus. That is an
Suffering from?
autoimmune disorder. Pemphigus.
Suffering from?
An autoimmune disorder that is pemphigus. Pemphigus.
What it is?
सर पेम्फिगस एक जो हार्ट सर्जरी के बाद कुछ दवाइयां दी जाती हैं उसके साइड इफेक्ट से होता है, तो उसका कोई इलाज नहीं है, होम्योपैथी में थोड़ा है, बट एक्चुअली उसका कोई ट्रीटमेंट नहीं है. वी आर गोइंग थ्रू होम्योपैथी, बट एक्चुअली टुडे शी वाज इन लॉट ऑफ पेन. मतलब वो दिन भर रोई है, मतलब उसमें पूरी बॉडी में सर बॉयल्स निकल आते हैं, छाले निकल आते हैं.
In that case, if she has already gone a heart surgery, don't give any command which will slow down the heart process. Instead of give a command saying that your body is getting healed completely the way it has to be. Because your mind, subconscious mind, accepts the command very easily to slow down your heart. It should not happen. So think twice.
I was just asking कि कल मैं उनके डॉक्टर से कंसल्ट करूंगी, तो if she allows, then I'll ask you just उनका पेन थोड़ा रिलैक्स हो जाए.
Definitely, you ask her doctor that can we use hypnotherapy and take a proper written check. If we are not giving any medications, but take a written check from them that yes, is it practically advisable, and then go for it. Or else I would say don't go for it because already heart surgery has happened. Or else you can give a command. उससे भी अच्छा उनके लिए the simple treatment is before sleep, let her take a glass of water, a transparent glass of water, keep her hand on that, and just give a strong command to that water that as I am drinking this water, it is helping me to heal overnight. You will see that in 3 nights, she is feeling much better. And she should use the same glass entire day.
Okay.
यही ग्लास में से पानी पीना है उनको, and she should believe कि as I am drinking the water from this glass, it is helping me to heal my body. I guarantee you in 3 days you will see the difference. It's not a hypnotic command. It's a command which is working the entire body. ये 100% आप without any risk कर सकते हो.
That is just water energy.
Yeah, just water energy, and you are channeling the universal energy. It works 100%. Because hypnotherapy should be used, but especially when it comes to heart and other things. अगर एक गलत
That's why I asked for a particular part of body.
हाँ, आपने बताया हार्ट का है तो अच्छा किया. Don't use it directly. Yes, anyone other had someone had a question.
Hello.
हाँ जी, मीनल.
Sir, can I share my?
Yes, please.
सर, क्लास लगाने के पहले मेरे हाथों में बहुत दर्द होने लगा था. ये जो उंगलियां है ना सर, जॉइंट पेन, वो दर्द होने लग रही थी. लेकिन फर्स्ट दिन से ही जब से मैंने आपकी क्लास अटेंड की और आप जिस तरह से बता रहे हो कि सबकॉन्शियस माइंड एंड कॉन्शियस माइंड, तो मैंने मेरे खुद को इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया है कि आज से मेरा ये पेन कम होने वाला है, यानी कम हो चुका है, यानी होने वाला है. ऐसे मैंने रोज ऐसे सर रात को सोते समय इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया कि मैं चल भी नहीं पा रही थी सर. सवेरे मॉर्निंग जब उठती थी तब मुझे हेवीनेस होता था, मेरे पैरों में भी दर्द होता था और हाथों में भी उंगलियां बहुत दर्द करती थी. तो ये क्लास करने के बाद मैंने ऐसे इंस्ट्रक्शन खुद को दिए कि ये सब अच्छा होने वाला है और कल सवेरे मैं उठूंगी तब मुझे ये महसूस भी नहीं होगा कि ये मेरे पेन हो रहा है. तो सर सेकंड डे मैं उठी तो मुझे बिल्कुल भी महसूस नहीं हुआ कि मेरे पैरों में चल नहीं पा रही हूँ या फिर मेरी उंगलियों में दर्द है. 50% पेन यानी कम हो चुका है सर.
Amazing. A big clap for her. Definitely. She deserves it.
It's for you sir. You help me sir.
आपका यकीन बात करता है because if you believe in it, it will happen. Secondly,
Yes,
I
sir.
would also ask you that are you on any medication? आर्थराइटिस रिलेटेड कोई मेडिसिन चालू नहीं है ना?
No, sir.
Then use it comfortably. Do it. You will be completely free from the pain. Probably this must be a normal chronic pain which you must have acquired out of emotional disturbance.
Yes,
it
sir.
will
Doctor
vanish
says
immediately.
me कि इस पर कोई ये नहीं है, आपकी नींद हो नहीं रही है
Yes,
और आप थोड़ा
emotional disturbance की
इमोशनली
वजह से हुआ है.
सोच कर, हाँ
Maximum 5 days and you will be out of it. Maximum 5 days you will be out of it.
ओके लेकिन सर
बस कर
मुझे
देना।
एक और प्रॉब्लम हो रही है कि कभी कभी मैं सो नहीं पाती हूँ सर, रात को नींद नहीं आती है ठीक से और इसके पीछे रीजन भी मुझे पता है कि 1 year सर बिफोर आई लॉस्ट माय मदर इन लॉ,
Okay.
तो मुझे उनकी याद आती है और उनका चेहरा सामने आ जाता है, तो थोड़ी इमोशनल हूँ, तो वो सब याद आता है।
I'll share a binaural beat in the group. You can listen that.
ओके
It
सर,
will help you to sleep. Or else even I have made certain videos
ओके
with
सर,
binaural beats for healing the entire internal body. Those are available on the YouTube. I'll share that. It helps you to heal in the better way. So
ओके सर,
definitely it
लेकिन
will help.
मैं रोज खुद को ये कहती हूँ कि ये सब मुझे भूलना है, यानी ये सब याद नहीं करना है, लेकिन वो ऑटोमेटिकली आ जाता है सर।
No,
यानी
you will see that things are getting better. Don't worry. और किसी
Okay,
का
sir.
कोई experience?
थैंक यू सर।
Because things work 100%. Karishma, you are ready?
विवेक जी, मैं कुछ शेयर करना चाहता था। जैसे हमें पामिस्ट्री में कहा जाता है जितने हाथ में लाली हो उतना हेल्दी हैंड माना जाता है। तो मैं पिछले 2-3 दिन से कह रहा है तू मस्त है यार, कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं है लाइफ में, और रियली ये 2-3 दिन में ही हाथों में लाली आ चुकी है। ये फर्क आ गया है, थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा रिलैक्स फील कर रहा हूँ। और आपने देखा होगा मैंने साइड में नंबर 1 भी ठोक दिया, भाई साहब आई एम नंबर 1, दैट्स इट। मैं लगातार कमांड दे रहा हूँ अपने आप को।
आपने वो कमांड तो पक्की सुन ली ना, जीवन ताश का खेल नहीं है।
मैं सोच रहा था सर कार्टोमेंसी सिखा दूं
सर आप हमारा धंधा बंद करवा देंगे, पेट पे क्यों लात मार रहे हो?
नहीं सर, आप इतने सीनियर
तभी ऐसा ही हो जाएंगे तो फिर हॉस्पिटल बंद हो जाएगी।
नहीं, हॉस्पिटल्स आर ऑलवेज नीडेड।
पूरा मेडिकल साइंस फेल हो जाएगा।
बस क्या सर, मेडिकल साइंस क्या नेवर फेल।
नहीं, सोचने से लाली आ जाएगी, तो खाने से नहीं आती है, सोचने से आ जाएगी। फिर
सोचने से आती है सर, डेफिनेटली आती है। एंड यू नो इट बेटर देन मी, आपने खुद देखा है लाइफ में। तो करिश्मा, आर यू रेडी?
लेकिन एक क्वेरी थी सर मेरी।
हाँ जी सर, पूछिए।
हम ये जानते हैं कि अगर कहीं बॉडी में कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो वो बॉडी का तरीका है दिखाने का कि हमें वहाँ पेन होती है।
बिल्कुल।
तो अगर हम इस तरीके से इसको सप्रेस कर देंगे तो हमें डायग्नोज कैसे कर पाएंगे कि यहाँ पर कोई इशू है?
आई एम कमिंग टू दैट। व्हेन यू हैव अ पेन, first and the most important thing is you should visit a doctor, especially pains related to appendicitis, pains related to heart, pain related to migraine. These are top priority pains which have to be addressed by a qualified doctor only. Once they address it, then you can work on it. That when the doctor says that yes, it is not a heart problem, probably it's because of the acidity or gases, you should work on it. 85% of the diseases are psychosomatic, which can be worked upon by yourself. But 15% need immediate attention of a doctor. That is your heart, your headache, which can be a migraine, a physical accident. Immediate attention is needed. Anything where life-threatening condition can happen. Any fever above 102, 103, absolutely doctor's attention is definitely needed. बाकी सारी चीजें आप रेगुलर केस में you can handle it. If it's an acute pain, it should be handled by the doctor immediately. Now coming back to the definition between acute and chronic pain. Acute pain, any pain which comes and goes, like हफ्ते भर पेन रहता है, 1 week, 2 week, or sudden pain in your stomach, you eat something, the gases are formed and you start feeling that pinching pain. That comes under the acute pain. But suppose if you say that yes, past 5 months my shoulder is paining, it gives pain on and off, that comes under the chronic pain. And chronic pain happens to a person probably 99% because of the emotional baggage or the things which you have not released in your life. Psychosomatic के अंदर आता है. And most of the disease come under psychosomatic. Even certain type of cancers come under psychosomatic, which Dr. Hammer has proven in his research. Even Dr. Bruce Lipton has openly mentioned it. Dr. Deepak Chopra has mentioned it. How exactly these things work. So, कभी भी अगर कोई immediate pain है, acute pain है, तो you should visit a doctor. You should not suppress it. Appendicitis का pain. आज आप suppress करोगे, maybe you will suppress it today, but tomorrow it might trigger in a very bad way. So don't suppress it. Take doctor's medication, doctor's advice immediately, and then work on the chronic side of it. That what is the root cause, how exactly it is. Because in NLP also we saw certain things, that how you can remove your past painful memories. That is easily possible. But when it comes to hypnosis, hypnosis actually suppresses it completely, because it helps you to relieve from that particular thing. But if it's an actual disease happening there, you should not suppress it. You should get it medically treated and then work on the symptoms. It helps easily. Hope I have cleared the doubt for everyone. Don't suppress any medical issue, either for you or either for anyone. Go back to the notes on day one. The client who is coming to you is not a blank check. Don't give any justice, don't give any justification, only work on the root cause which is there. You are not a doctor to treat him on anything other than the reference which has been given, because there are many doctors who refer patients to a hypnotherapist. Practically it is done. So you should do not go into further things ki haan ye iska ye hua wo hua. Don't do that. Only work on the things for which you are advised or your expertise is needed. So let's go further, Karishma madam. I'll put you on the spin mode. Here what we are doing today is, whatever stress a person has, we don't need to ask that what exactly is the problem. Neither you should ask, neither the client generally is in mood of telling, because there are many issues which the person doesn't want to understand or they doesn't even want to discuss with anyone. So here today we'll try to do something which might help her to see some relaxation in the body. Because again, as I said, if the person is into a bona fide mode, he or she will never see the results. So don't feel disheartened that even if she says that I didn't saw a single result. Chances are very bright that she might not see, she might clearly say that मुझे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ा. So, because when the person has a strong determination that nothing in the world can change me, nothing in the world can help me, तो उस केस में ये result नहीं मिलता है. But if she sits with an open mindset, I'm 200% sure as she is listening my voice, she will be able to see that relaxation. In the next 5 minutes, she will be free from some, at least 50% of her baggage. So let's start. Okay with it?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So close your eyes. Have a complete relaxation. Take a deep breath. Deep breath. Ekdam deep breath.
Would you like people to pay you for sharing
Ekdam deep breath.
experience with them? If yes, then there is one skill you need to master, and it's not only public speaking, but speaking effectively.
Only 1 second. Yes. So you continue your deep breathing.
Not only listen,
You continue your deep breathing. Continue your deep breathing. Now, listening my voice. I am counting 25. You will experience your body is getting completely relaxed. Your mind is getting completely relaxed. As yourself as both. So you can see how the technique. Now, Krishna has listened my voice. 5, 4, 3. Slowly you are going into a very deep sleep. Just relaxing music. Take you completely you are going into a very deep relax, relax, keep on. All as per your comfortable position, 70. पूरा गर्दन का कंट्रोल खुल जाएगा 50, 40, slowly, deep, 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 13, 12, just are listening voice and music. You are going into 10 times deeper sleep by the time you reach 5, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Completely relax, relax, relax. Now as I'm counting from 5 to 1, getting for 3 times deeper sleep. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now feel, I've tied your right hand to the helium balloon. Helium balloons, as you know, the gas is very lighter. They just move upward. Touch your right hand to move completely upward above the sky. You take your right hand completely upward. As I'm counting from 1 to 10, slowly you will experience your hand has become lighter and lighter and lighter and it's moving upward with the bubble with the moving upward. Slowly your hand will either take its direction or it will start moving upward. Then 1, 2, 3, or if all else will turn your head backward. 4, 5, your hand is being lifted upward, now you will turn your head towards the sky. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now see a strong universal energy coming in your right hand. So your palm is just entering in your body. It is entering inside your body into the palm. And you will start feeling sensation in your body. You start feeling the relaxation in your body as the energy is entering inside your body with your right hand. You feel that taking sensation in your vibration inside your entire body. Right from your head to toe. As the energy is moving from top to bottom. It's scanning each and every cell of your body and helping you to release all the toxins, all the negativity, all the thoughts which you have acquired from the soul. And being completely free to live a very happy life. You are choosing right now to to release all the emotional baggages you have been carrying over all these years. It is your life, come making beautiful, by choosing to release all the emotional baggage. As you are listening my voice, which is energy entering in your body, as your brain waves are coming down to fiber. The mind and body is into a complete relaxation state. The experiencing the vital version of yours being formed. Complete vital version of charisma is being formed now. As the original charisma is getting out all the negative energies and giving it back to the Mother Earth, so that it helps you to absorb all the negative energies and all the negative vibes. As the Earth is the best power in the universe to absorb all everything that is possible. Now you will experience this energy going into every cell and also restructuring its cellular level so that you are able to feel that freshness after this session. And also henceforth, whenever you will touch your thumb and the index finger of any hand, also you will be able to experience the same feeling of happiness and freshness. Henceforth, whenever you touch your thumb and the index finger of either of the hand, you will come to a relaxed state of mind. But you will see that your lighter version is already formed now. Each and every part of your body is being cleared and being relaxed. See how your skin tone is changing. Feel that skin tone being changed. See how the unnecessary fat, unnecessary energy which is being consumed is completely dissolved and given back to Mother Earth so that your body is completely free to live a happy life. As you are absorbing this energy from the Mother Earth, visualize and feel that your legs are kept from the Mother Earth, are touching Mother Earth, and the roots are being developed from your tree, from your legs. The roots are being developed from your legs. Those roots are going deep beneath the Mother Earth. Now you found that बहुत गहरे रूट बन रहे हैं तो डायरेक्टली मदर अर्थ में जा रहे हैं तो रूट का Now see how this energy which has been channeled from the universe to your right hand to your palm is now directly flowing to your body and entering the Mother Earth through your legs. You feel the strong channel in your entire body directly connected from Mother Earth to the universe, and now you are the channel. Your entire body is now a channel, pass the energy from the universe to Mother Earth. Feel that energy flowing from the universe to Mother Earth and from Mother Earth and returning back to the universe. Your entire body is being cleaned up completely. Complete cleaning body. Each and every cell of your body is now completely relaxed as you are getting away all the negative energy towards the Mother Earth. And as a gratitude, you are also accepting the positive energy of the Mother Earth and returning back to the universe. Your entire body has become a channel. Probably you might start sweating now. The body temperature will increase. When I count from 1 to 10, you will experience an increase in the temperature and you might experience a sweating in your body. Release all the remaining toxins and feel that complete relaxation. 1, temperature of your body will start rising to a particular level. 2, the one thing will start feeling that start accumulating on your forehead. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now feel the cool breeze around you, and your forehead will now immediately calm down. Feel the temperature coming down as you have released all the negativity, and your body has released all the negative patterns which are not required for your present life. Now, as I am counting from 10 to 1, you will experience that your body is completely charged with this positive energy, and slowly you will become a permanent channel for this energy. The moment you touch your thumb and the index finger, you will be able to feel this energy any time, whenever you want, in fractional seconds to make you regenerated. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now, the will be completely back to the normal state. The body is completely regenerated. The body is completely in charge of yourself. The body is in complete charge of yourself. On the count of 5, when I start counting from 5 to 1, you will slowly get back to the normal senses. As I count from 5 to 1, at the count of 3, you will move your palm. At the count of 3, you will move your palms. At the count of 2, you will keep your palms and eyes. And at 1, very slowly, you will open your eyes, feeling the something like this. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very slowly open your eyes. Very slowly open your eyes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, no.
Yeah, quite a bit. I'm feeling a bit relaxed, and my legs were feeling very cold and cooler. So that was a good thing. And I was feeling very, very stressed up with my head was like about to burst. But thoda sa, I think 10 to 15% it has gone down.
So you came with the acceptance mode and things are working. I guarantee you that it will work.
Thank you.
Okay. Any questions? You can ask your questions, and we had done this live session. No ifs and buts. All because in next 8 to 10 days, we'll be learning various ways. Now, the most important part of it is that I don't have any script for this. You have to make your script, make it as funny as possible, as creative as possible. The only thing which is most important is your induction. If you see, what I did is, while counting from 25 to 1, that relaxation is important. And once you count from 25 to 1, you must have seen that her throat had already started swallowing. जब आपने वीडियो में देख लेना, वो gulping शुरू हो जाता है इंसान का. And when you see that the gulping has started, it means that the person is going in trance. And once the person is into trance, like 25 to 1, then you have to again give one command that on the count of 5, you will go 10 times deeper into sleep. For some people who don't go into trance immediately, then you have to do a reverse count from 100 to 1. And फिर भी अगर नहीं हुआ, then you have to tell that person, भाई मेरे से नहीं होगा, तो और कहीं से करा दे. Because it is important that a person should be in the wishful mode to get it done. And once the person goes into trance, then you can make him visualize the way you want. Do the creativity that something is coming from the universe, Visualize that as if something is there in your hand. अगर आपको किसी की disease clean करनी है, minutes sir, please forgive me, but अगर suppose किसी की disease clean करनी है, you can give him a weird visualization as if see your other you very small in front of you, and let him visualize as if that person is having a fire brigade hose in the hand. Now let the person open his mouth and let that other you, वो जो छोटा वाला है other you, उसको अंदर जाने दो, and visualize, make him visualize that the other person, other you who has gone inside has started spraying the water on the diseased part. I guarantee you diseased part का pain निकल जाएगा. Because it depends upon that person's creativity and the hypnotherapist command. Because once the other you goes inside, just किसी का pain, chronic pain, diseased part, joint pains, you can actually make it happen. But again, I am saying it's not an alternative to the medical therapy. Medical intervention is must. And once the doctor says that yes, ये कुछ नहीं हुआ है, आप now ये कर दो, you are free to do these therapies, and you will see that you are getting the person out of the physical pain. Then you can also use the same thing for PTSD. If someone has undergone any surgery, after surgery, when the person wants to recover, you can give him the commands to see that how exactly the body pain is reduced. But also make sure that you don't give any command which might increase any pus or something like that. For example, अगर किसी की surgery हुई है, knee surgery हुई है, and if you are giving him a command that as I am spraying the water inside, probably the subconscious mind might accept that the accumulation of water can happen. You never know. So in that case, you have to give him a command. Yes, now your knees are free, your pain is reduced, and you will see that you are able to use it effectively 100%. I can give you in writing. It works. The only thing is your induction is important. Induction के samples मैं आज देने वाला हूँ. Don't worry about it. Even ये पूरा PPT जो है ये भी देने वाला हूँ. But main is induction. Now today's homework for all of you. In your own language, whichever language you practice, write down an induction script for whatever you feel. मैं नहीं कहूँगा कि आप इसी के लिए करो. I'll not compel you that you write an induction script for pain release or something like that. Use it. Use your own language. Use your creative ways and do it. And now what you have to do is further exercise. It is important. आपके पास पूरे 24 घंटे है करने के लिए. Once you do it, सबके पास स्मार्टफोन्स है, सबके पास मोबाइल है. अपने आवाज में record it in your own voice. Record it in your own voice and listen yourself. How exactly are you feeling about it? Because unless and until you can self-hypnotize yourself, you can't do others. So whatever script, even if you write like 5 lines, but make an audio of it. As I am counting from 25 to 1, my body is getting completely relaxed. आप खुद की आवाज में बनाओ. You don't have to do it for others. You don't have to depend on others. And this is my teaching way. This is the way it works. आप खुद की आवाज में बनाओ, because hypnotherapy works only and only when you have that tonality in your voice. Work on your own voice, because the moment you realize कि यार मेरी आवाज मुझे खुद को hypnotize नहीं कर पा रही है, so change the tone. Go through this entire video again. How I have used the tonality. I am not saying that I am expert in that. दुनिया में डेव एलमन जैसे एक्सपर्ट्स बैठे थे, मिल्टन एरिक्सन जैसे लोग हैं. So understanding that flow is important, that how exactly you are giving a command, चाहे वो खुद के लिए हो चाहे दूसरों के लिए हो. So use a consistent flow. कहाँ पर ज्यादा बोलना है, कहाँ पर कम बोलना है, आपको खुद समझ में आएगा. आज का वीडियो कम से कम 10-10 बार देखो. You will realize because we did 2 live demos. एक पल्लवी के हाथ पे सुई चुभोने का किया and एक ये मैडम का किया. So understand that how exactly have we used the induction and the deepener. Deepener part कौन सा था? वो ये था कि जब वो पूरी तरह से ट्रांस में चली गई पल्लवी पहले बार, so we gave a deepener to her that even if you pinch a needle, it will be completely numb. करिश्मा के केस में deepener कौन सा था? That visualize the strong universal energy coming in your right hand, and finally we completed that energy cycle down to earth. That is a part of theta healing. Because कभी भी कोई भी energy healing अगर आप करते हो तो make sure that you are completing the cycle, or else you are disrupting your own chakras. So try to complete the cycle whenever the healing is done. Like you are taking the energy from the universe, let it go to the Mother Earth, again get it from Mother Earth, send it to the universe. Theta healing का concept यही है कि universe से energy लो, हाथ में से, सिर में से, कहीं से भी body में आने दो, and through your legs let it go to Mother Universe. बड़े से बड़ी बीमारी जल्द से जल्द ठीक होती है if you are doing theta healing along with your existing medicines. Things work miraculously because theta healing is that powerful. It works. Hypnosis में ही advanced stage में आता है. It works 200%. And today we did induction deepeners as well as induction deepeners and theta healing, जो आपको सामने दिखाई दिया. So use it generously for any health issue which you have, and you will see that things are happening better. But as I said, it is not an alternative for any medical treatment. Medical treatment is must. You should use it as an alternative therapy, not as an alternative. So use it positively and live a happy life. अभी किसी के कोई सवाल है तो पूछ लो, तब तक मैं पानी पी लेता हूँ.
सर मेरी एक क्वेरी है.
पूछिए.
सर जैसे कुछ हीलिंग में होता है आपको लेग क्रॉस नहीं करने हैं, स्ट्रेट मतलब हैंड अलग रखने हैं, तो इसमें भी वैसे फॉलो करना है हमें
अगर पॉसिबल हो तो
जी.
But sometimes what happens is the client who is coming to you probably might not be into that state of understanding. अगर suppose कोई patient आता है
जी,
तो वो he might not be, but जितना possible हो उसके body organs खुले, मतलब हाथ खुले रखिए, पैर खुले रखिए, so that वो relaxation state में जल्दी जाता है. The person goes into relaxation state immediately.
ठीक जी सर.
Next question, please. Dolly.
So I want to ask, if we do and we go into deep sleep or client goes into deep sleep, what happens after that?
Who goes into deep sleep? You or client?
Maybe I may also, as I'm listening to my own voice, if I record, for example, and I'm listening, and after a certain time, after few sentences, if I go into deep sleep, then what happens?
Subconscious mind has a power to disconnect immediately if you are not getting the commands. Secondly, जब आप headphone लगा के सुनते हो, you have already given a command that yes, slowly you are coming out of this. You will come out of this.
And even client?
I'm coming to that also. Like when I do past life regression over the Zoom call also, and even if the client say you are the client, suppose if you're sitting in UK, and even if the power fails, you are into the deepest trance. But while we start the session, generally we give a command that if you don't receive any command from my side, you will come back to the state of normal. And even if you don't give, still subconscious mind, then it immediately starts collecting the other commands and it comes back to normal. तो ऐसा कभी नहीं होता है कि इंसान ट्रांस में रह जाए, hypnotherapist हो गया तो क्लाइंट का क्या होगा. Those myths are just only myths. So nothing happens. That person will never be into a deep sleep if the therapist sleeps. That doesn't happen. That only happens in Hindi films.
सर अभी यही हुआ जब आपने स्टार्ट कराया था, नेट खराब हो गया, वाईफाई डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया और लैपटॉप बंद हो गया.
अब आप उड़ गए नींद में से.
हाँ जी, फिर मैंने फोन पे स्टार्ट किया.
That is the biggest proof. You saw it just now. No person can remain in trance if the commands are not continuously given, like in 1 minute, 2 minutes, if you don't get the command, you are immediately out of trance. To process 400 units per second, when that process is not being followed, the person comes out of the trance immediately. So यहाँ आज आपको जो homework करना है वो यही है that you have to write a script in your own voice, in your own words, record it, and कल जो भी मुझे script सुनाएगा, maybe I'll give some gift to that person, whatever it can be. But अपने आवाज में script सुनानी है. या फिर आपको कल किसी को actually live demo कराने को बताऊंगा मैं. And you have to do it, because in our entire session, it's not that you will be getting a certificate and you are practicing hypnotist. You will be doing it live here. But I should be happy that when something is being given in form of certificate, finally, you should know that how you are using the tone. And it's not about certificate, but it's about your own satisfaction that yes, I have learned something. We have already started working on the practical things. Hypnotherapy, I'll not go too much into the theory, because if you go too much into the theory, it will take even 10 years for you to understand the theory. We will work on the practical concepts at how to use it, where to use it, induction, deepeners, catalepsy, सारी चीजें cover हो जाएंगी, but how to use them in the real life so that you are able to use it. And I can guarantee you that you will be able to see the results, because I know you are listening carefully to whatever I am saying, and also I know that you have been observing all the thoughts. Whether you like it or not, it's already imprinted in your subconscious mind. As you are listening to me, I know you are listening to me attentively. Whether you like it or not, it's already in your mind.
विवेक जी, मेरे को कुछ पूछना था. हमने किया 25 से 1, फिर अगेन 5 to 1 या 1 to 5?
5 to 1. अभी बताता हूँ इसमें क्या करना है.
हाँ जी.
Whenever you have to relax a person, always do a reverse count.
Okay.
Top to bottom. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wake up करते वक्त भी 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 पे देख जाओ, 3 पे उसका ये. But अगर अपने को किसी को मोटिवेट करना है, like if you have to do a confidence building exercise, in that case, first use the complete progressive relaxation, that 25 to 1. Once that person is into a complete relaxed state, now for example, make him feel that he or she is drinking Horlicks or whatever you want, and as you are having every sip of it, with every count of mind, you will start seeing and you will start experiencing that your body is regenerating, your health is improving. जब किसी चीज को increase करना है, तो ऊपर की तरफ लेके जाना है, 1 to 5, 1 to 10. Like your health is improving as I am counting from 1 to 10. And pain is reducing. 10 to 1 पे reduce, अगर किसी चीज को reduce करना है, तो 10 to 1. Increase करना है तो 1 to 10. 1 to 10, 1 to 25, and you will see that things are immediately getting the results. लोग बहुत बार यही गलती करते हैं कि increase and decrease दोनों वक्त 25 to 1 का ही count करते हैं, because your subconscious mind doesn't understand that. तो ये simple principle याद रखिए, जब बढ़ाना है तो upwards count लेके जाइए, घटाना है तो नीचे. But induction सबसे पहले जो है वो compulsory 25 to 1 ही देना है. और अगर कोई बहुत टेढ़ा क्लाइंट है, बहुत टेढ़ा इंसान है, तो 100 से नीचे चालू करो. It will help. और किसी का कोई सवाल? Am I audible clearly? Hello. Am I audible? Am I audible? Sorry, power fail हो गई थी. तो जहाँ तक आज हमने किया है,
सर प्लीज मैं जरा एक बार बोल लूँ. 25 से 1 शुरुआत, उसके बाद अगर और उसको स्लो डाउन करना है, डिक्रीज करना है, रिड्यूस करना है तो 5 to 1. अगर हमने इंक्रीज करना है तो 1 to 5 या 1 to 10. यही रूल है ना?
यही रूल है।
हाँ
अभी
जी।
इसको वापस मैं रिपीट करता हूँ। डीपनर इंडक्शन लगाते वक्त, फॉर अप्लाइंग द इंडक्शन फॉर टिल 25 to 1, then again take him to a deeper sleep 5 to 1, and then use your deepener, that whatever outcome you want to achieve. In that, if you have to reduce the pain, do a reverse count. If you have to increase the happiness, do a upward count. If you have to improve the confidence, do the count from 1 to 10. If you have to reduce a pain, do the count from 10 to 1 or 25 to 1, depending upon the client's state. हाँ जी, एनडी मैडम, नेहा 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 मैडम।
सर जैसे ये स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ते वक्त, like personally me also I fell asleep, but I came back like towards the end. So if I'm actually taking somebody through the session or I'm actually going through the session myself, तो जैसे नींद आ जाती है, so that when we don't follow the command, so we need another session to, you know, once again go through it and follow the command.
You mean to say that if you yourself get into that sleep while giving a command to the client?
No.
For yourself?
Yeah, like for example, you are the healer and I have come to you for a session, and I fall asleep during the session. Of course, towards the end, आप थोड़ा trail back करके आ जाते हो वापस, but
that entire thing, even if you are into sleep, you are not into sleep, you are into trance. Everything which I say goes into your subconscious mind.
Okay.
So the person doesn't fall asleep. He is into that trance की ना यहाँ का ना वहाँ का, ना इस दुनिया में ना उस दुनिया में. So वो कमांड उसके दिमाग में फिट बैठती है.
Okay. Thank you.
I hope I have lived up to your expectations today.
एक चीज और पूछनी थी, आपने कहा कि टू कंप्लीट अ साइकिल, वो जरा प्लीज बता दें.
To complete a cycle means, for example, if you are doing a healing process where you have to heal your body, heal any disease, if you are taking energy from somewhere, make sure that you are releasing that energy or sending it back to Mother Earth, because the only thing in universe which can absorb any amount of energy is Earth. So see that your roots, which are being developed from your legs, are going as deep as possible. To make it more clear, go to Google, go to any geography book and try to type structure of Earth. You will see core, mantle and all those things. जहां तक लावा अंदर है अर्थ में, उस लेवल तक चाहिए तो अपने रूट्स लेके जाओ. Try to be as creative as possible. And then release it completely, and then see that you are absorbing all the positive energy from the Mother Earth, and again it is forming a channel for the universe, and your body becomes clean. Disease सारे निकल जाते हैं इससे.
सर मैं इस कारण पूछ रहा था, हमने आकाशिक में सीखा था, उसमें व्हाइट लाइट आई, क्लीन करते हुए नीचे गई, मदर अर्थ के कोर में लावा में अगेन क्लेंस हो गई और वो वापस आकर हमारे अंदर रह गई, और उसके बाद हमने अपने आसपास ग्लोब बनाया और ग्लोब बनाकर हमने प्रोटेक्शन में रह गए. अब वो वहाँ हमें नहीं बताया गया ऐसा कुछ भी कि भाई वापस भेजना है या कुछ करना है, तो दैट्स व्हाई.
हाँ, वो इसलिए क्योंकि जब आप आकाशिक रिकॉर्डिंग करते हो, आकाशिक रीडिंग करते हो, so you are trying to access some other person's past life. The globe which you are forming around yourself is to protect you from that person's energy. Here you are not doing any reading for anyone. Akashic reading is like you're opening the source chapter in past 10 lives. So you have to protect yourself first. Akashic reading खाने की चीज तो होती नहीं, it's a true science, it works, but then you have to protect yourself in the right way. So उस केस में वो globe बनाना बहुत जरूरी होता है. You have to protect yourself in the right globe and then do the readings. But here we are just doing our healing and we are completing the channel, so our body becomes clean from the disease. The purpose is different. In Akashic reading, you are trying to access someone's energies, so you have to protect yourself. ये मेरा perception है, because I have been मतलब थोड़ा बहुत आकाशिक reading कभी किया था, so it is important that you protect yourself. Generally मैं उस पटले में पढ़ता नहीं हूँ आकाशिक reading की. I am happy with my own life. दूसरों की आकाशिक रीड देख के क्या करेंगे?
सर लेकिन ये सही होती है आकाशिक रीडिंग जो बताते हैं?
200% सही होती है
जी।
200% सही होती है. Again, it depends upon the therapist who is doing it, his intensity and his knowledge and commitment. Everything works. Because everything in the world, we can't say कि this happens or this doesn't happen. Everything can happen once you believe.
उसके लिए इंट्यूशन पावर
सबकॉन्शियस माइंड का रूल ही है ये है that it doesn't believe the difference between reality and imagination. So it is all imagination. Soul contract, whether it exists or not, ना मैंने मेरे सोल ने जाके देखा है ना आपके सोल ने देखा है, but soul contract exists. So it's all belief, and belief works. Belief helps you to move the mountains.
जी.
जैसे आप न्यूमरोलॉजी में बिलीव करते हो 4 और 8 वालों की बैंड बजेगी, वैसे ही होता है ये.
जी.
हाँ, so I live. It's already 12:10 हो गए, 2 घंटे हो गए मैंने आप लोगों के लिए. 1 मिनट के लिए अगर आप लोग ऑन कर पाते हो अपना कैमरा, I'll be very thankful if you can switch on your camera for 1 minute. अच्छा लगा आप सबसे बात करके आज. Something good to learn. कौन है यहाँ पे? Yes. Karishma, you are there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm here.
Please put on your camera, Vaishali. It helps me to boost my confidence also. जब रात को 12 बजे भी जब अच्छे चेहरे, मतलब एक खुश चेहरे दिखते हैं, तो it helps. Yes, only 1 second. So good to see all of you. अच्छा लगा सबसे बात करके, सबसे मिलके. And Dr. Saab, definitely hypnotherapy works. Hypnotherapy works, but medical attention is always medical attention. There is no substitute in the world for medical science.
Yeah.
But the only thing is, yes, alternative therapies help person to get relaxation at the deepest level.
No, because sometimes people talk about that it's against the physiology. If I'm saying that, just I'm giving, we are all adult.
I'll just